Chapter 1: The Hidden Truth Behind Senior Fatigue. Have you ever opened your eyes in the morning and felt like you never slept at all? Even after a full 8 hours, your body feels heavy, your thoughts slow, and energy almost zero. You're not alone. Millions of older adults feel this same quiet exhaustion day after day. But here's what they don't. Waking up tired isn't a normal part of aging. It's a sign, a signal, a whisper from your body saying, something's out of balance. Welcome to ElderBloom, your trusted guide to natural wellness after 60. Today, we're going to uncover the real reasons why so many seniors feel drained in the morning and how to fix it naturally. With simple steps that work with your body, not against it, let's begin with the most overlooked cause of senior fatigue: sleep quality, not sleep quantity. As we age, our sleep becomes lighter, deep sleep, the kind that restores. Your body's often replaced with light sleep or frequent awakenings. Why? Because of natural changes in melatonin levels, a hormone your brain produces in response to darkness. After age 60, melatonin production drops by as much as 50%. And without enough melatonin, falling into deep, restful sleep becomes a challenge. But don't rush for over-the-counter sleep aids just yet. Instead, here's what actually works. 1. Embrace the darkness. Create a dark sleeping environment. Turn off nightlights. Cover any blinking devices. And avoid screens 1 hour before bed. Light, especially blue light from phones and TVs, blocks melatonin. 2. Natural melatonin boosters. Try adding foods that encourage melatonin production. Tart cherries, walnuts, almonds, bananas. Studies show that tart cherry juice, in particular, can improve sleep quality in older adults within just 2 weeks. 3. Warm foot soak before bed. This may sound old-fashioned, but it's backed by science. A Sherwoo Minute. Foot soak in warm water helps shift blood flow away from your brain, allowing your core body temperature to drop, signaling your brain it's time to sleep. And better sleep means better mornings. Now let's address another silent thief of energy: blood sugar imbalances. Many older adults experience slight dips in blood sugar during the night, even without being diabetic. When your blood sugar crashes, your adrenal glands release cortisol, a stress hormone, which can jolt you awake or keep your brain on high alert, ruining sleep quality. Fix it naturally. Eat a small protein-rich snack 1 hour before bed. Try a spoonful of almond butter or a boiled egg. Avoid late-night carbs or sugar, which spike then crash your blood sugar. One more common energy drainer: sleep apnea. Even if you don't snore loudly, you may be experiencing mild obstructive sleep apnea, brief pauses in breathing that prevents you from getting oxygen-rich, deep sleep. Signs include waking up with a dry mouth, morning headaches, frequent night waking, excessive daytime sleepiness. If these apply to you, it's worth speaking to a sleep specialist. But meanwhile, elevate your head while sleeping. Avoid alcohol before bed. And maintain a healthy weight to reduce apnea episodes naturally. Chapter 2: Morning energy starts the night before. Now that we've uncovered the nighttime habits stealing your energy, let's talk about what happens before and after sleep that determines how alive and energized you feel after 60. One of the most overlooked reasons for morning fatigue in old adults is dehydration. You might think, but I don't feel thirsty. That's the problem. As we age, our thirst response becomes weaker and the body stops sending strong signals. Yet your organs, muscles, and brain still desperately need water to function. Even mild dehydration can cause morning grogginess, headaches, low blood pressure, poor circulation. And yes, fix it naturally. Start your morning with a glass of warm water with a pinch of sea salt and a squeeze of lemon. Why? Sea salt provides essential electrolytes. Lemon boosts digestion and hydration. Warm water wakes up your system gently. This simple drink can instantly improve alertness and mental clarity. Avoid coffee as your first drink. It acts as a diuretic and can worsen dehydration. Speaking of digestion, did you know that gut health directly impacts your energy levels? After 60, digestion slows down. Many seniors have low levels of digestive enzymes and stomach acid, which leads to poor nutrient absorption. And when your body isn't absorbing nutrients like B12, iron, or magnesium, fatigue becomes your new normal. Natural solutions. Take a probiotic supplement or eat probiotic-rich foods like yogurt, kefir, and sauerkraut. Add bitters like ginger, dandelion, or apple cider vinegar to stimulate digestion. Include enzyme-rich foods like papaya and pineapple. Ask your doctor to check B12 and iron levels common deficiencies in older adults. Now here's a powerful tip. Movement before breakfast. Gentle movement in the morning, like a 10-minute walk, simple yoga, or Tai Chi increases circulation, oxygenates your brain, and resets your circadian rhythm. It also tells your body the day has begun, reducing lingering melatonin and helping you feel naturally energized. But don't skip breakfast. Just don't let it be. Avoid pastries, sugary cereals, or toast alone. These spike your blood sugar and leave you crashing by 10 a.m. Best energy-supporting breakfasts for seniors too. Boiled eggs plus half an avocado plus berries. Greek yogurt plus flax seeds plus walnuts. Oatmeal with chia seeds plus almond butter. These combinations offer protein, healthy fats, and fiber key for lasting energy. One final insight: emotional energy is just as important as physical. If you wake up tired and dread the day ahead, your brain releases cortisol, draining your motivation and energy. To fix this, create a positive morning ritual. Express gratitude for 3 things. Sit in sunlight for 10 minutes. Listen to uplifting music or nature sounds. This helps reset your brain chemistry and sets a hopeful tone for the day. Conclusion. So let's recap. If you're waking up tired after 60, it's not because you're just getting older, it's because your body is asking for deeper sleep, better hydration, more mindful nourishment, and gentle movement. By making a few simple natural changes, you can go from dragging your feet in the morning to feeling clear, steady, and strong every single day. At ElderBloom, we believe energy is not a luxury, it's your birthright, at any age. So take back your mornings, restore your nights, and remember, aging isn't about slowing down. It's about tuning into your body's wisdom and thriving in new ways. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with someone who deserves a brighter morning. See you next time at ElderBloom, where wellness blooms with age.